हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू वेदीफाई। मैं हूं आपकी दोस्त और होस्ट पहेली। डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकन टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड गेट एवरी चैप्टर, एवरी एक्टिविटी ऑन द सेम चैनल वेदीफाई। सो विदाउट एनी वेट, लेट्स स्टार्ट आज का चैप्टर।
So we know that the breakdown of glucose produce energy. But what is the fate of this energy? ये energy किस form में बनती है? So the energy released during cellular respiration is immediately used to synthesize a molecule called ATP. Now the question is, what is ATP? Full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Just like we use rupees as currency to buy certain things, our cell uses this ATP as energy currency. For all the activities, whatever cell does, it requires ATP. So ATP is the energy currency for most cellular processes. The energy released during the process of respiration is used to make an ATP molecule, but this ATP is synthesized by ADP and inorganic phosphate. So ADP with phosphate in the presence of energy produce ATP. And this energy is released during the process of respiration. This ATP is just like a battery that can provide energy for many different kinds of uses. By battery, we can light the torch, we can switch on any electrical appliances, even a toy car can be played by battery. Similarly, ATP can be used in the cells for the contraction of muscles, protein synthesis, conduction of nerve impulses, and many other activities. But why cells require ATP? Food produces energy, but this energy is stored in the form of ATP. Whenever cell requires energy for other activity, it uses that stored ATP. So respiration is a continuous process. So respiration can be divided into two categories. One is aerobic respiration and second is anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, we require oxygen. That's why aerobic organisms need to ensure that there is sufficient intake of oxygen. But how plants get its oxygen? So plants exchange gases through stomata, and they have large intercellular spaces where oxygen and CO2 can be stored. But how do cells get oxygen? The oxygen enters into the cells through diffusion process. Diffusion is movement of molecules from high concentration to low concentration. That means in intercellular spaces, oxygen concentration is very high, and this oxygen enters into the cell. Cell utilizes this oxygen, and CO2 is produced by the process of oxidation of food. This CO2 again goes out of the cell by the process of diffusion. Each and every cell produces CO2. That means we can say that our cells are CO2 producing factory. That means CO2 is very high inside the cell. So CO2 goes out of the cell. Yes, the process is known as diffusion. ये तो हमें ऑलरेडी पता है. So plants produces oxygen also. But ऐसे कैसे? प्लांट्स ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस भी कर रहे हैं और उसको वापस यूज भी कर रहे हैं. फिर तो प्लांट्स को कभी ऑक्सीजन रिलीज ही नहीं करना चाहिए. इसका मतलब तो ये हो जाएगा कि प्लांट सेल्स आर द ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूसिंग फैक्ट्री एंड दिस ऑक्सीजन इज अगेन यूज्ड बाय द प्लांट्स टू प्रोड्यूस CO2 और फिर से CO2 को प्लांट यूज करेगा और ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस करेगा. ऐसे तो फिर प्लांट को किसी और की जरूरत ही नहीं होनी चाहिए. खुद ही वो O2 प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है और खुद ही CO2 प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है और दोनों को खुद ही यूज करे जा रहा है. फिर तो हमें भी प्लांट से ऑक्सीजन ही नहीं मिलनी चाहिए. The net diffusion of the oxygen depends on the requirement of plant. Plants produce oxygen by photosynthesis and plants produce CO2 by respiration process. Now, if photosynthesis is more and respiration is less, that means plant is producing more oxygen. So plant is liberating more oxygen and we get that oxygen. And this happens during daytime. But what happens during night? At night, when there is no photosynthesis occurring, then CO2 means respiration is more and oxygen is less. That means plant is releasing CO2. That's why it is advisable to not to sleep under a tree in night time because you are releasing CO2. प्लांट इज ऑल्सो रिलीजिंग CO2 और दोनों का CO2 मिलके इतना सारा CO2 हो जाएगा कि CO2 में आप सांस भी नहीं ले पाओगे एंड ऑर्गेनिज्म कैन बी अनकॉन्शियस. प्लांट्स अपटेक ऑक्सीजन थ्रू स्टोमेटा. व्हाट अबाउट एनिमल्स? Animals have evolved different organs for the uptake of oxygen from the environment and for getting rid of the carbon dioxide produced. Like terrestrial animals can breathe the oxygen in the atmosphere, but animals that live in the water need to use the oxygen dissolved in water. So animals के habitat और एनवायरनमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग ही उसके रेस्पिरेशन के ऑर्गन्स होते हैं और प्रोसेस होती है. उसी को देखने के लिए करते हैं एक एक्टिविटी.